The Bodhi leaf comes from the sacred Bodhi tree, Ficus religiosa, under which the Buddha attained enlightenment. With its graceful heart shape and delicate structure, the Bodhi leaf represents wisdom and enlightenment, a reminder to grow through life's journey and seek deeper understanding. Peace and mindfulness, a symbol of inner calm and connection to the present moment. Renewal and nature's cycle. Each fallen leaf we preserve honors nature's rhythm and the beauty of sustainability. In this video, I'll show you how to create a truly special gift for your mom or anyone you love using real Bodhi leaves. First, gather fallen Bodhi leaves and soak them in a large pot or pond. This part takes time, about 1 to 2 months, but it's worth the wait. The soaking softens the leaves and helps prepare them for the next steps. Once they're ready, gently wash away the green pigment, also known as chlorophyll. Be careful, the leaves are delicate. What you're left with is a beautiful, lacy leaf skeleton. Next, preserve those skeleton leaves to protect their shape and texture. This will keep them perfect for crafting. Now comes the creative part. I made a piece of art featuring my mom, smiling with her daughters and grandchildren, and printed it right onto a Bodhi leaf. It turned into a one-of-a-kind gift, full of love and meaning. Thanks for watching, and I hope you feel inspired to try it yourself.
Mẹ là biển cát mênh mông, mẹ là trăng sáng soi đường cho con. Một đời vất vả đã đoán, một đời chăn trở ươm mầm từ bi. Thương con mẹ dạy vô vi, trọn đời đẹp đau mỗi khi con về. Thăm sân luyến ái làm mê, con cần có mẹ cận kề bảo ban. Mẹ mong con được an nhàn, gian nan phần mẹ âu lắm đã sơn. Ngày ngày mẹ vẫn khuyên lơn, Phật tông là gốc của đời chúng con. Mẹ là Phật của đời con, mà con cứ ngỡ Phật con đâu